Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 14.4 question number 10. The question is find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. That is question number 10. Substituting x equal to minus 3 in x square plus 5x plus 4 gives this one. Question number 10a. Question number 10a. 10a is given as x square plus 5x plus 4 gives the value 15. Let us find. If we put x equal to minus 3 putting x equal to minus 3 putting x equal to minus 3, we are getting the value is x square plus 5x plus 4, and we are getting the value that is minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4, and we are getting 339 minus 3 4 is 15 minus 15 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 15, that is we are getting the value minus 2. Here you see the value is given by 15, which is not correct, which is not equal to 15. That means this one is not correct. Here this will be the correct answer. Here they have done what they gone wrong is minus 3 square is 9, minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, but they have written 2, that is wrong, right? Now question number B. Question number B is x square minus 5x plus 4. Putting x equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. We get minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. That is we are getting 309 minus into minus is plus, minus into is plus, 5 3 is 15 plus 4. Or we are getting 4 plus 9 plus 5, 14 plus 4, 18, carry 1, we are getting 28. But here this is not equal to minus 2. 28 is not equal to minus 2. And where is wrong? Here you see they have given minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. That is minus into minus is plus, this is a 9, and this will be plus 15. They have written as minus 15. That is the error, right? Now solve question number C. Question number C is x square plus 5x putting x is equal to minus 3. Putting x equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. We are getting x square, that is minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3. We are getting minus into minus plus, 3 3 is 9 minus 5 3 is 15. 9 minus 15, there is a minus 6, which is not equal to minus 24, which is not equal to minus 24. What is the error you see here? The error is it is not equal to minus 4, not equal to minus 24. What is the error? Here you see x square plus 5, that is minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3. It is minus into minus is plus, they have written minus 9. That is the error, right? There 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, but this is the error, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.